Hello guys, this is Luke Mid, and today in this video we are trying to do Escape Now. If you can't hear me, well, I'm just going to turn this down. Yes, we know what he says. Come on, next. Last video I raged because I was off balance. I could never. The map, come on then. Tower then. Do. The music's so cool. Do. So in this video, yeah, we're just trying to complete it because I'm sick of this game. Come on, I'm done. I did it. I always get the map done. The hammer. Come on then, take your anger on the hammer. Take your anger on the hammer. I'm just gonna go away a bit because my voice might be all loud. Wow, peace, bro. Should be done by the 4. I did it. I did that. I did the hammer. The drill. I need the hammer to make the drill work. I'm going a bit fast now. Just let me hand go because I'm always screwing up on that bit. So I might got the hammer. Sorry. I enjoy doing YouTube. Well, actually not at the moment. So about 6. I'll probably about get it done as usual. Come on, quick. Come on, please, bro. I'm definitely gonna get out of this prison. Ooh. Snaky. Boys. Come on. Oh, if that was the cops, what have been doing? Nice. Drilling now, just drilling. Come on. Why are they just like a distraction them? Oh, snaky. That's it for this video today, guys. I'll see you all later. I'm too clumsy. So I'll see you all later, guys. Goodbye.